A few weeks ago, as one of the committees that I serve, were going around schools, in every grade 9, we were asking students how many are choosing to take STEM in the senior school. Almost all students were saying they selected preference in STEM. Performing arts and where sports are, very few students. But we all know that not all students are wired towards the STEM. There are young boys and girls who their system is purely sports. And we'll also need to urge our parents out there that it's not all children who are born to excel in class. We have children who do not perform very well in class, but on the field are excellent personalities. But we'll also try to understand why parents will try to be hard on the children, telling them that they should put focus in class and stop playing games outside. Because in Africa, sports does not pay. Sport is not recognized. Sport does not have a reward system. And that is what Honorable Charles Ngusia is asking us to consider. Can we have sports having a reward system across board? And let it not only be rewarding those who represent the country on international competitions. This reward system should be able to be felt right from the grassroots. The moment we start seeing that sports is paying, we will see our young, talented youth taking sports very seriously. We'll also see investors investing in sports facilities because the uptake will be higher. We'll have sports academies. But currently, even if you are to open a sports academy, how many children believe that sports will pay? How many have we seen sports pay? In 10 sports people, only one, or sometimes none, comes out successful. We need a comprehensive reward system.